Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope all of you are over the moon. Okay, for now we are going to continue our lesson on Bahasa Inggeris penulisan. Okay, let's open your Get Ready UPSR Bahasa Inggeris penulisan activity book. Turn to page 55. Okay, so I want to share how to answer the question of section A, the information transfer part. Okay, we need to try to answer this question for practice 1. Okay, firstly, please remember my technique that I teach you in the classroom before this. For this part, you need to get ready with your stationeries like pen or pencil, and ruler. Okay, let's start to answer this question. Firstly, you need to read the text or the question given. Firstly, you need to read the text or the question given. And secondly, you need to check that the information or the question given are in the question or not. The sentences or the text given have in the question or information or not. Okay. For example, question 1. Manjid and Syarul are attending the Taman Indah Family Day. Manjid and Syarul are attending the Taman Indah Family Day. This is question. So, for example, Taman Indah Family Day have in the information or not. Okay. Okay, kalau ada, you need to cut in the information given. Taman Indah Family Day. Okay, cut Taman Indah Family Day. Okay, next. The event is held on Sunday, the 28th May 2019 from question 1. Okay, the event is held on Sunday. Okay, let's check Sunday is having in the text or not. Okay, for example, Sunday ada. So, cut. 28 May 2019 pun ada, so cut. Okay, from. Okay, the keyword is from. From what? From time. 10 a.m. dash 5 p.m. Okay, this is answer 1. Okay, let's continue to question 2. It is held in the. Okay, the keyword is held. Held is same meaning of venue or places. Held, keyword for venue or place. Held adalah kata kunci kepada tempat. So di sini nama tempat dia apa? Taman Hijau Field. Okay, this is the answer of question 2. Okay, this is the answers of question 2. Okay, next. There are many activities such as blank in the event. Question 3, the keyword is activities. Okay, cut activities. Okay, what are the activities? Okay, firstly, telematch, paint your face, games, and many more. Okay, this is the answer of the question 3. Okay, next. Manjid will be walking to the field while Syarul blank. Okay, this is question 4. Question 4 is the keyword, kata kunci untuk question 4. The keyword of the question 4, kata kunci untuk soalan yang keempat apa dia? Manjid will be walking. So dekat bahagian poster, Dekat bahagian poster ni ada tak? Manjit will be walking. Ada tak? Okay, kalau check sini tak ada kan? Kalau tak ada, go through to the dialogue. Manjit, are you going to the family day? Syarul, yes. Are you going to? Manjit, of course. I want to take part in the telematch. I'm sure it will be fun. Okay, Syarul talking. I'm also looking forward to play in the telematch. How are you going? I will be cycling to the field. Okay, you will see the keyword of the question is Manjit will be walking. Manjit will be walking. Okay, Manjit will be walking. Manjit, I will be walking there. Manjit said, I will be walking. Manjit will be walking to the field. Why? Syarul. Okay, Syarul. Syarul will be cycling. Okay, this is the answer for question 4. Okay, Syarul will be cycling. Okay, the last one, the last question is both of them are interested to take part blank. They are really looking forward to the event day. Okay, both of them, Manjit and Syarul, are interested to take part in. Dia kata apa? Both of them, Manjit and Syarul, berminat untuk ambil bahagian dalam apa? Dia kata apa? I want to take part in the telematch. I'm also looking forward to play in the telematch. So jawapan dia apa? Telematch. Okay, this is the answer of the question 5. Okay, so using this technique, read in the question or text and then you check that you check the answer in the information given. Okay, so let's answer the question in the let's answer the answer and let's write the answer in the question. Okay, for example, question 1 from question 1. Okay, ini jawapan dia 10 a.m. dash 5 p.m. but please you need to be more careful with sign dash. Okay, tanda macam ni, tanda dash ni, tanda dash, you need to change to, tukar kepada to or until. Okay, so the first answer is 10 A full stop M full stop 2 5 P full stop M full stop. Okay, AM M morning, PM petang ataupun malam. Okay, so question 2. Question 2. Taman Hijau Field. It is held in the Taman Hijau Field. Okay, please, you need to be more careful with capital T and capital H for the proper noun, kata nama khas, capital T and capital H. Okay, number 3. There are many activities such as, so the keyword is activities. So same in the information given, activities. So the answer is telematch. Pin your face, games and menu. Okay, remember soalan yang diberikan duduk di tengah-tengah. So, no need to write capital T. No need to write capital T. Mesti the letter T mulakan dengan huruf kecil. Okay, number 4. Number 4. Tengok soalan number 4. Manjit will be walking to the field while Syarul, number 4, where is number 4? The answer of number 4 will be cycling. Also capital W will be cycling. Will be cycling, that one. In the dialogue, Syarul will be cycling. Letter W will be cycling. Okay, the last one, number 5. Look at question. Both of them are interested to take part. Both of them are interested to take part in the tele match. To take part in the tele match. Number 5, in the tele match. Kata kunci dia in the tele match. Okay, if you can answer all the question correctly and appropriately, so you can get full mark. You can get full mark, 10/10. Okay, that's all today. Thank you for watching. But before I end our lesson today, please answer the question of section A, page 56, 57 and 58. Try to get full mark, or at least you can get 9/10. Okay, please, you need to be more careful with your handwriting, especially for capital letter and punctuation, comma or full stop. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.